Hey YouTube, it is me, of course. This is my 364th wedding series video and my 7th video of the night. And I am unboxing another thing from Etsy. It's a cardboard box that's shaped like this. So I'm really curious on what it is. Of course, I'll take my trusty dusty scissors that I've been having for like 10 years plus. And it's still sharp as it could be. Alright. Oh, I know exactly what this is. Oh, so cute. Perfect. Perfect. So, this is a customized hanger for Mickey. It says Mickey, Junior Groomsmen, our wedding date, and then our name. It is so nice, like the way that the wood feels like. I thought I ordered a gold, what you call it? Everything is just like, I thought I ordered a gold part to it. Let me see. And I think that they did a mistake. Let me see. Did I not say gold? Let me see. I think I messaged her. Let me see. But no, I'm thinking that it was supposed to be a gold thing. But maybe I didn't order it in gold. So yeah, anyways, it's alright. It is what it is. He's not gonna know the difference. So yeah, it's his own personal hanger, which is perfect. He can hang his suit, and then after the wedding, of course, he can use it anything else, that he can turn it the other way, you know, and it's just gonna be very nice and cute and special from us. And yeah, I'm ecstatic. Perfect. Does it have a receipt? Oh, I have a receipt. It doesn't say, but it's okay. So anyways, you guys, this is so cute. I love it. For every gift that I get, I cannot wait to see their faces. Obviously, I like to come up with unique stuff for them. Unique stuff for gifts. I'm getting hot, so I'm going to put my hair in the ponytail. As you remember when I did the proposal boxes, it was very unique and I loved everybody's reactions, so I cannot wait to see these reactions. So anyways, you guys, I will definitely see you guys soon. I'm going to upload this video and then I'm going to make another video where I'm going to tell you guys updates. Alright guys, bye.